Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use C++ class constructor and destructor. Constructor is a special method to initialize an object of a class, whereas destructor is another special method to clean up an object of a class. Here is the class student with the default constructor, exactly the same name, no return value, no input parameters. And this is another constructor with two input parameters. And here is the destructor. First, I use the default constructor to instantiate an object of the class student. Then I use the constructor with input parameter to create an object of the class student. Noting that I'm using the pointer and the new keyword to instantiate this student object. Because I'm using a pointer, I need to use the arrow operator to access the public members. Now here, the destructor will be called when I'm deleting the object student. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.